Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. 50 simple short sentences using towards in a conversation suitable for beginners. Are you walking towards the park?
Yes, I am.
Look towards the sky.
Wow, it's so clear.
Is the bus going towards the city?
Yes, it stops there.
I'm heading towards the mall.
Can I join you?
She ran towards the dog.
Did she pet it?
The car is coming towards us.
Let's move aside.
Are you leaning towards this option?
Yes, it seems better.
Walk towards the left side.
Okay, got it.
The teacher is looking towards you.
Oh no, what did I do?
He pointed towards the mountains.
They look amazing.
I'm walking towards your house now.
Great, see you soon.
The boat is moving towards the shore.
It's almost here.
Turn towards the right.
Thanks for the directions.
I'm leaning towards buying this dress.
It's beautiful.
The wind is blowing towards the east.
It feels nice.
Why are they running towards the gate?
The show is about to start.
Let's walk towards the lake.
Good idea.
She smiled towards me.
That's sweet.
Move towards the light.
It's getting brighter.
The train is heading towards the station.
Let's get ready.
I feel positive towards this decision.
That's good.
Look towards the horizon.
The sunset is stunning.
She waved towards us.
Let's wave back.
Can you point towards the museum?
It's over there.
The ball rolled towards me.
Did you catch it?
He's working towards his goals.
That's inspiring.
The path towards the garden is beautiful.
I agree.
They're moving towards the stage.
Let's follow them.
The plane is flying towards the north.
It's so high up.
I'm walking towards the market now.
Can you buy some fruits?
She is leaning towards the wall.
Is she okay?
The car sped towards the highway.
It's going fast.
Let's run towards the finish line.
We're almost there.
The arrow is pointing towards the exit.
Let's go that way.
The bird flew towards the tree.
Did it land safely?
I'm moving towards a healthier lifestyle.
That's great.
He walked slowly towards her.
What did he say?
The child ran towards his mom.
He looks so happy.
The cat jumped towards the window.
Did it go outside?
I'm driving towards the mountains.
Enjoy the view.
She is looking towards the future.
That's important.
The bike is leaning towards the wall.
Let's fix it.
I'm heading towards a new job.
Congratulations.
The wind pushed us towards the boat.
That was scary.
The dog ran towards the ball.
Did he catch it?
He is turning towards us.
Let's wave.
I'm leaning towards this new plan.
It sounds good.
She moved towards the piano.
Is she going to play?
The flowers are growing towards the sunlight.
They look so healthy.
Let's walk towards the hill.
Okay, it looks beautiful up there.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.